Hey, it's a stream. It's a Tuesday stream with your favorite guy. It's me, Axel. Yeah, it's me. Let's get some announcements out of here, into the void. Oh, the music might be a bit too loud today. Maybe that's better. Yeah, let's do that. Alright. So this is the game. Sup peaks. Here's the little stream. You know, just fixing some bugs before going to bed, you know. Did that guy get shot by his friend? No, let's look like him. So I noticed one bug earlier tonight, which I want to take a look at. I'll show you guys a GIF of it. Do I still have it? Yeah, this guy. So it seems that when launched twice, you can still like control your gun. That's no good, because the player is supposed to be stunned, kinda. And if you can still shoot, no good. Sup, Eric? So yeah, I caught that on tape. So let's try to fix that. Oh, we also got a new song from Engan. A new demo. Let's see here. It's the new cave song, I think. It's really good. Let's listen to it. I'm gonna shut up and let's just listen to it. Whoops. So yeah, that's a good new tune. Sup, Walter? Just fixing some bugs tonight. I just showed the issue I found. I finally got a GIF of the weapon when on ground. Yeah, it's a good song. It's a bit lower volume than the other songs, so I can't really blast it, but you'll turn it up. Yeah, so this issue. And let's try to fix that. Right. So if we're on the ground, yes. If downed and image index, we're not down, so fuck that. If image index is more than whatever that is, if it's stunned, then be stunned, else just stand up. Yeah, that's good too. If image index is more than the on ground frame and phys z is not 0, Yeah, makes sense too. If okay, and then we're out of here. So what we need to do is basically just up here do yeah, I think that's it. Make sure weapon is disabled. Getting hit and jumping. Yeah, but I didn't jump in that one. Yeah, it's your favorite Swiss, man. I'm not Swiss, but I'll take it. Or maybe you're talking to someone in your room, Goran. And if that's what you did, then I'm kinda embarrassed. Because I thought you were talking about me. Whoops. Oi oi oi, will I get back from this embarrassment? I don't know. I do not know. By the way, Walter, just let me know if you wanna join in. You know my streams have an open door policy for you, babe. No, you're not a dum-dum. Goran, I think you're a smarty smart. I'm Swedish, by the way. And so is Walter and Engan. And Vadim is Ukrainian. Yeah, let's comment this stuff as well. Engan, oh, that's right, he's not Swedish. I'm sorry. I got that wrong. That's embarrassing. Also, hey Engan. Just write me. What did it play? I played your new song. I added it to the stream list. I hope that's okay. I'm not watching. Okay, well, fuck that guy. Holy shit, who the fuck does he think? I'll deduce his pay from now on. So this is if down, and this is after anim end, and this is if stunned, go to stun. Oh, okay, well, fuck that. If not stunned, go to idle. God damn it. Don't. I told you guys that in confidence. Jesus Christ. This is the last secret I'll let you guys in on. And that's final. That's final, guys. What is going on down here? If sprite state is fly and the bounce force is less than 4. Okay, so this is just start on ground animation or state. Yeah, I think that's it. Let's just play around and see if we can get the issue. You are so square? No! What's going on? I'm gonna have to beat this guy, I think. So next time me and Engan see each other, I'm gonna freaking tackle him. With these, right and left. And if the right one doesn't hit, then the left one will. Stop fighting? Alright, thanks for holding me back. Thank you for holding me back. Sometimes I become a real Mr. Hyde. Or Dr. Jekyll. No, Mr. Hyde is the scary man, right? Mr. Hyde. It was almost a fight the last time you met, yeah. I mean, me and Engan, we're got a real background of fighting. And the photo was the, oh yeah. The bug with jumping and getting hit is that you fly away jumping instead of falling down. Yeah, but if you look at the GIF here, I'm getting launched while on ground. So it's this is a different issue. I did not dodge in this one. I was just idling. Didn't even have my hands on the keyboard. But yeah, that other one is something we should look into as well, for sure. We got stuck in compile hell. So I'm gonna get a glass of water and you guys can watch the BRB video for a little bit. I will allow you to. And I'll see you guys in a bit.
There's something.
Ciao! Pico! Pico, Pico! You want a rat candle? Pico! Let me just open it for you!
Have you ever heard a story about a wish so profound that it didn't even make sense? Well, you're in for a treat.
I'm doing my dishes and it's pretty nice. I'm scrub and removing some rice. Shut up! Oh shit! I'm plating your dishes and I can grant you 2 wishes. I want you to be dead. Your wish is my call. Oh fuck, why? I don't know, just looking at your corpse taking a smoke. That will make my day. Well, I changed my policy. You can't kill me, okay? I wish you never ever can change your policy. No. Damn it, you crazy man. You only have 1 wish left now. Don't you want riches and bitches? Oh, I wish. Yes. You'll be dead. Stupid man. Dead play. You want me to be dead. Oh well. You didn't say how.
I can't remember if we stopped at this one last time.
Go out with an explosion!
Oh shit! Cut my finger!
That is a wish.
That was the first, I think, yeah, that was the first video or animation I did in Toon Boom. My first Toon Boom day out. Oh, right? We didn't do Murderous Deed before Wish Dish. No, Murderous Deed was after Wish Dish, right? You gotta see where it is in the video.
This is a regular pony, and it will be given to a regular boy.
Yeah. We did Wish Dish before. Alright, let's see if we can get some flowers to push us around. Let's kill everything other than the flowers. I mean, we can't, but we'll spawn some flowers. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, and make myself God. Did we only get 2? Oh, that's not what I wanted. Oh. What did you use before? Flash? I was a Flash boy for long. Christ, guys, just hit me the right way. Yeah, that's exactly what happened in the GIF, and the weapon did not appear this time. Although, I mean, it would look better if the fly animation started at that point. Yeah, maybe we should try to do that. That's a great idea for a BRB screen. Thank you very much. You see my whip render I posted on Twitter? No, I didn't. Post it in the Discord and I'll have a look-see. Hey, alright. So what we want to do is just to make this earlier, but not too early. So maybe if half of the animation has been played, then it's fine to start playing the fly animation again. Let's have a look at the animation in question. On ground. So here we go. So half of the animation would be 22, and that's exactly when Thrash has kinda stopped tumbling. It's the tumble we don't want to replay, and since we're gonna use this timing for all characters pretty much. Oh nice, let's have a look at this. Oh yeah, I did see this. The Fallout thing. That is really rad. I like that. That's really cool. So let's half, I think, is probably fine. So let's be pushed around a bit more by flowers and see what happens. Man, we're up in at 12 viewers already. It's really nice that we're starting to see more viewers on our Twitch. Like before, it took at least maybe 1 or 2 hours before reaching 12, 13 viewers. So that's really nice. That's really nice. Let's try this out. Make myself god of. Spawn some flowers. I could just spawn a grass grunt, but I think this is more fun. Oh, you know what? There can't be more than 2 next to each other. That's why even though I spawn more, it doesn't show. Okay, let's see here. So what I want to do now is pretty much, oops, getting hit from both sides. No. Come on, guys. I can do better than this. What if I... Ooh, that's not good. And that's not good. It seems like the grass grunts have a really easy time to get into the forever fly. That's something we need to look into. Sup, Lucas? Come on, Jesus. Let's just... Oh yeah, look at this, like... It happens super often now. Yeah. I'll have to have a look at that as well. Yeah! Oh wait. Oh, thank you, Jesse J. Jones, for following. That's really nice. I hope you like this me getting beat up stream. I think I just need to get into a corner, right? maybe I need to get into... Ooh, hidden! Oh, there it happened again. So basically it just... Oh, but there it didn't happen. Maybe it should be a third of the animation instead. I don't want to put in like exact numbers. Oh, thank you, Jesse! Very nice person. Yeah, so let's try this instead. Maybe I was too strict. Sometimes I'm just too strict, guys, and I just need to let my hair loose and dance. Did you guys know that? Flower. Ah. Now they are all hitting at the same time, that's no good. Flowered. Doesn't seem like it's happening. Yeah. So why isn't it happening? If sprite set is on ground, yes. If image index is more than image number divided by 3 and phys z is not 0, then go to fly. Let's trace. We did it. If sprite state is ss fly and... Oh, maybe that's why. Maybe we need to do this check before, because it keeps being pushed back. And this is if on ground. Let's see here. We might have to do... By doing this, we might have to set the image index to 0. That might cause issues though. So we might have to do and sprite index equals sprite on ground. Right. Let's see here. Sprites. It's on ground sprite. Okay, that should do it. Methinks. Titan. Now we'll also see it in the command line if things are going as they should. Okay, so it's not happening while just being hit once. That's good. It's perfect. Actually, I can just do that. Yeah, see? Because before I would have just had the on the ground sprite the second time I was hit, but this time it actually starts replaying the animation. See? Before, I can show you in the GIF. Before, this is what would have happened. So the second time I get hit, I don't tumble. I'm just stuck in my pose and then fly away, which doesn't look that good. It doesn't look as good as it could look. So now that's fixed. Much better. And we also fixed the issue with the being able to shoot. So let's see if we can get the other bug. Let's remove this bug so we know that this guy did it. Also, we need to take a look at those flower grunts. So this next issue is, let's lower the music. So this next issue is if being hit by a flower grunt or whatever, and then dodging at the same time, sometimes we can get the same issue where we still have the gun on the ground. So let's see if we can get that to happen. NPC guard, where would I want to make the NPCs guard? I can't talk and type at the same time. Alright, so nope. I guess let's spawn a bunch of flowers and then it's easier to get it to happen. Alright. I'll just keep jumping. Alright, that worked. That worked. That worked. Maybe my fix for the other thing actually fixed this as well. Because now it kinda makes sure that... Oh, it happened that time. You saw I was bouncing in my dodge animation. I mean, that's fine, but as soon as I hit the ground, I shouldn't have my weapon. So if we can get that to happen. Ah, I'm too good at dodging. I should just get some intern to hold down my right mouse button. Oh, it happened there as well. Seems like it. We fixed the issue with the gun though. And that's good. Fixing 2 bugs with 1 code. 2 bugs, 1 code. Now that's something I'd watch. Oh, there it happened again. Yeah. There we saw our new fix as well, a bunch of times. So it was basically just adding a little save thing and then moving 1 code to a different place. But yeah, it seems like we got this nailed down as well. And that's fun, that's fun. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's easier to just do it myself, goddamn. Yeah, that's how it looks. Yeah. It's kinda like wind is blowing up on the dredge. Pushes her away. Yeah, so that one is fixed too. So I guess next let's take a look at that weird flower flying away. Is it when flying off screen? No. Is it when in the tell animation? No. Is it in the attack animation? Did you guys see that? That was like super weird because it's got a physics speed. And then also push speed, so they are fighting each other, I guess. That's weird. Why don't we get the issue now? Also, there's a really annoying flickering issue too. I'm not sure if you guys see that, but when the enemies are still, they are just jiggling between 2 frames. Kinda weird. Let's spawn some more. Seem to be able to do it pretty confidently when we had more than one. Is it when pushed into a wall? No. That's weird, we got it a bunch of times before. It's not when they are dodging, right? Ah! Oh! Did that one? No. It was just stunned. Anyways, I guess we should just try to do a safe thingy. I really don't understand why that was happening. Now we can't get it to happen. That's gonna make it hard to fix. Oh! Here's one guy. So at this point, it should be true that its sprite state fly and Z speed is 0. So it should be easy to just do a safe fixing like thingy for that. Yeah, safe thing and grunt stuff, yeah. Could be when hitting a wall. Yeah, I was wondering about that too. Yeah, because, oh, it might be because didn't it kind of happen close to a wall before as well? Okay, let's just do a safe thing. Safety. Whoops. That's not, that's copyright issues. Whoops. Alright, so let's, that one is fixed. I think we fixed 2 issues, and that's fun. Let's remove the other issue from the list too. And if it comes back, blah, I thought is what I'm gonna say. But until that happens, freaking fixed. There we go. It always feels good making our bug list shorter. It's the best feeling in the world, guys. It's the highest ruse there is, I think. I mean, I haven't tried them all. Alright on Titan. Enemies. Grunt Grass is enemy grunt parent. Enemy grunt parent has a step event. This is all true. And let's go to the fly logic. If his Z is not 0 and not jump, and sprite state is not spawning, and sprite state is not on ground, then hide the weapon, set thyself to sprite state. Alright, so this... If sprite state is... Let's just grab whatever code we have in the player, because that's working well. So the code we have here to go to on ground is if sprite state is fly and bounce force is yada yada. Is that really all? Oh yeah, hit the ground and then get back up. Oh yeah. Because the grunts are using a different code for on ground. But maybe we should try to use the same as the player, because we're getting a lot of issues in the grunts and not in the player. And if we have it working here, why not just use the same code, right? So let's try that if it works out of the box, which it probably won't, but hey. So here's the on-ground logic, and let's hide this for now. So let's read this. So if fly and yep. Let's just see if we have an on-ground sprite. Did we have that here? We have ground hold frame. Oh, wait, on ground frame. So let's just go and rename that little thingy. The player has no get up animation though. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, so we can't really do that yet. That's true, that's true. Okay, but let's compare them anyways. So here we go. We should really get a script for each of these. So this is the one we want to implement in here as well. So if sprite state is fly and fist bounce force is less than 4, then start the on ground. So maybe we can move this down and have all on ground logic is in one place. Try that. Keep on ground. That's what this code does, I think. So I think the problem is this flying variable. Seems to be doing some weird stuff sometimes. And I'm not really sure what it is. Flying and flying time. But let's see if this fucked everything up. And if it didn't fuck everything up, let's get them to do forever roll again. Because right now this is pretty much the safe thing we were talking about. It's just that if we're playing the fly animation and that there's no more bounce force, then start the tumbling animation. Makes sense to me. But many things does, many things do. A lot of things does that. But a lot of things does that. So I guess we'll see. No, it's not me who should be bouncing around, it's you guys. Okay, that should be plenty. Okay, so it wasn't fixed. There's a forever fly guy. So maybe we need to put this code after everything. So if flying is not 0, let's trace something here. So we can see if we're even getting to this point. Let's see if we can get this to happen with just one guy. Well, it does give us the trace often. So it's absolutely happening. Would be good to just understand what's going on, like what is causing the forever fly. But yeah, my main problem is that I don't really understand the source. Come on, little guy. Ha! Look at that idiot, got a bunch of flowers. Oh no, those are birds. Well, if this was the only time I tried, I would have thought it was fixed. But I know it's not. I just don't understand it. Something happened there? Something flashed? No, maybe not. So none of this is happening if flying is 0. So I guess that's the issue, right? And flying is being plussed here. So the question is if flying is supposed to be minus, maybe? No, if flying is 1, then ground OK is 1. Maybe we need to set flying to 1. I mean, I guess that makes sense. No, because doesn't really make sense because we were stopping flying. Let's look at the fly logic. Maybe this. So if first Z is not 0 and jump and sprite state is not on the ground. So it's if first hit, then flying is set to 1. Maybe there's something in that one. I think we should probably rewrite the on-ground logic. I think just to help. Let's see, what is flying time? Flying time is 30. But why does flying need to be like for the enemy to Yeah, I think we should just make it a task to rewrite the grunt on ground code. That's something I could take a look at, but I'm too tired tonight to do that. But I think it needs to be done. And it shouldn't be too hard to do either. It's basically just putting the image speed to 0 and then having a little timer for how long we want them to be out for. And then we can instead be able to say like this enemy should take a longer time before getting up. It should be like knocked out for longer, and then for enemies that are a bit more elite, we could have a shorter knocked out time. So by rewriting this, we could get some more interesting gameplay as well, and enemy variations without too much work. So I think that could be worth it. So I think we should take a look at that. Maybe tomorrow during the stream. I'm gonna take a day just to think about how to approach this. Yeah, I think so. But I'm gonna bounce now, I think. Hopefully not fly forever, am I right? I'm sorry. Yeah, we fixed 2 bugs tonight, and 2 bugs are better than no bug, in my opinion. So I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, and etc.